I became curious about why all these guys that I know, that all these professionals and stuff, stalking me about this Live Good, right? I looked at everything and I said, let me join. I paid for the year, I paid $139 for the year, and I paid $0 a month, and it's all good. But anyway, so what I did, I got these products, and that's what I want to do is I want to share with you right now these products that I bought that really got my attention, that I really like. So, okay, let's go ahead and do that, shall we? So one of the things is this Super Reds, right? I saw on Amazon, or these things about Super Beats kept coming up on my feed, right? And I guess they target my age because I'm 50 something, I'm the early 50s. But look, the reason I wanted these products is because I'm early 50s. I want to live a long, more vibrant life. I want to look good, feel good, less aches and pains. I got pains. I'm busted up all over the place. I got hurt on the job years ago, and I just have aches and pains. And plus, with the cardiovascular health, I was watching my father as he aged, and he had a hard time with his hips, and then I lost him. I said, I'm not going to let this happen to me the same way. I've got to start taking charge in my health. So I got these Super Reds because, I saw the Super Beats, and I wanted the results that they're giving me. And so it says here, now these are all made in the USA, USDA organic certified, organic, vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, dairy-free, right? All of these are top-of-the-line products. So I got these for $18. And they had, what these are for, cardiovascular health, circulation, sexual health, brain and cognitive function, okay? So these are the things that as we get older, even when we're younger, I mean, who doesn't want that stuff? No, I don't want brain and cognitive function. I don't want that. I don't let my kids know because then they want me to help them with their homework. That's not happening. Is that trigonometry you're doing over there? I'll help. No. Then I got the Super Greens. Now, when you think about it, if someone in our house is sick or something, God forbid, I know here we want to get them the greens right away. You should be eating more greens. You need more greens in life. I know I needed greens. The greens I had used in the past, they didn't really taste very well. In fact, they tasted awful. They didn't have what this has in it. I recently learned more about what this actually has in them, these greens. And again, these are organic, vegan, keto-friendly, gluten-free, dairy-free, made in the USA, USDA organic certified. Like when we juice, if Jen and I juice or something, it's a mess. And it takes time, but you can't get the greens. I can't just go in and walk in and get spirulina and dandelion root and all this stuff. This has got the real deal in it. I got this one for $18. I got this for $18. I got the coffee. Coffee? Deep coffee talk? Coffee? I got the coffee. I got the coffee. Orgasmic. Wait, let me get my organic coffee. Fiber for weight management, maca mushroom for mental clarity, green tea for brain function. This is the real deal. In fact, this is so good that it had been sold out. So that's why I got two of them. People love the coffee, and I like the coffee. So that, and then these amino acids I just got. These, I like training. I've been into working out since I saw Rocky. And so I know as I age, I need aminos. When you break down your protein, you need amino acids. This supports muscle strength and function, boost stamina and recovery, promote energy and focus. All good. This has no sugar, no GMOs, vegan, and it's gluten-free. Go to the link in the comments. What you do is you go there. There's a 5-minute video about the business, but you go and you put your name and email in there, and it takes you right into the back office. It's free. There's a reason. I'm not going to get into it here. There's a reason why these products are so inexpensive. It's because it's direct to consumer. It's not network marketing or MLM where there's business volume. There's no auto ship. I don't have to buy them. I buy them when I want to buy them. I don't have to buy them. I just simply have a membership like Costco, Sam's Club, BJ's, Amazon Prime, Dollar Shave Club is a subscription, all the gaming subscriptions, coffee subscriptions, and food subscriptions. That's the whole way the puck is going, and that's why I'm doing these videos as well, because I want to have something recession proof. I want to have something that's sticky. I want to have something that's retention. I want to have something I can share with people that they can buy products when they want to buy them, if they want to buy them at a good price, when they want to buy them. This company, I like the name of the company, Live Good. I honestly don't know how they even got that domain, but I like the name of it. I like what they stand for. I like that they align with my political beliefs, my social beliefs, my spiritual beliefs, family beliefs. They align with all those different things, that capitalism, all about it, all about the USA. Everything's made in the USA. It is, in fact, a global-based business because of the leverage. We have teams now building all over Europe, and it's just the most amazing thing I've seen, honestly, in my 15 years in business, because it's for everybody. Everybody can, anyone could. I'm just saying that it aligns with my values. I can get behind with what they say and how they conduct themselves and what they stand for, and the prices. And there's no hype, no BS, no hype, no business volume, no auto ship, no overpriced products, no nonsense.